Hello. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create and share a configuration card in your STid Mobile ID Portal. To begin, log into your STid Mobile ID Portal with your credentials. Once logged in, make sure you have the necessary permissions to create a configuration card. Next, navigate to the Configuration Cards menu and select Create to start creating your card. You'll be prompted to fill out a form with essential information. You can either choose an existing configurator from the list or create a new one. If you're adding a new configurator, enter their first name, last name, and email. Optional details like company and phone can also be added if needed. You'll also need to select a site and a specific configuration for the card. Make sure all required fields are filled out correctly. Once everything is in order, simply click on Create, and your configuration card will be created with the status of Created. Now, to send this card to a configurator, click Send. An email with a download link will be dispatched, allowing the configurator to access and apply the configuration in their STid Settings app. For a faster sharing option, you can also use quick sharing. Just head to the Card Profiles section, choose the card you want to share, and open the Quick Sharing option from the Actions menu. Here you can search for and select one or more configurators. Once selected, confirm by clicking Create, and they'll receive an email with instructions on downloading and applying the card. Thank you for watching, and enjoy using the STid Mobile ID Portal. For further help, contact our support team at support@stid.com.